In this meditation, we will be clearing core fears, balancing and attuning our chakras. When I'm using the term beloveds, this is us calling in our group consciousness of all your spiritual family, your higher self, your guides, your star family, anyone or any group that you would like to call in to assist you in this healing and attunement. You may again put in any word that you feel comfortable with to address your higher power. Preparing ourselves for meditation, close your eyes and get comfortable. Taking in a few deep breaths all the way down into the belly and breathing out slowly. Breathing in and breathing out. Remembering that our in-breath is receiving and our out-breath is letting go. Breathing in light and unconditional love from Divine Source. Breathing out and releasing and clearing any heaviness, any density, letting it all drop to the ground. Letting it all go now. Now see or feel above your head the 12th dimensional platinum silver light. Invite this light to come down through your crown and see it filling your entire body, lighting up every cell with a crystalline source of your divine blueprint. Spend a few moments now feeling and letting that light fill your physical body. And now extending it out to feel your entire auric field, which sits around 3 feet all around your physical body, placing yourself in a pillar of pale silver light. And now we ask for a general clearing of all fear-based programs that are hindering our spiritual growth and evolution, removing all imbalances lodged within our physical, emotional, mental, and through our spiritual bodies, fully, completely, and totally. As we focus now on our root chakra at the base of our spine, we call to fully clear any and all core fears within our root chakra system. Heal, align, anchor, and activate the root chakra system, filling it with light, repair and reconnect the root chakra. Feeling all unnecessary density and debris being released and letting it go now. Beloveds, we request that the root chakra be balanced and attuned to the ascended master state of consciousness. Now let's focus on our sacral chakra, or second chakra. Beloveds, we request that all shame and guilt, any distortions of the divine masculine and the divine feminine, which are hindering our ability to embody our highest expression, be cleared and removed from the second chakra now, easily and effortlessly. Please heal, align, anchor, and activate the sacral chakra system, filling it with light, repairing and reconnecting the sacral chakra. Beloveds, we request to magnetically attune the sacral chakra to the ascended master state of consciousness. Focusing now on your solar plexus, which is just below your rib cage. Beloveds, we request a clearing and release of all core fears from the solar plexus. Please heal, align, anchor, and activate the solar plex chakra system. Fill it with light, repair and reconnect the solar plexus as we release all core fear around our personal power. We allow our personal power to be fully embodied within us. We return the infinite power of our greater God self. Attune the solar plexus to the ascended master state of consciousness. Now place your attention on your heart center, the fourth chakra. Beloved ones, we request all fears be removed from our heart chakra. Please heal, align, anchor, and activate the heart chakra, the heart channels, and its complex, as we bring the threefold flame of love, power, and wisdom into the deep channels of our heart. We release all heart scars, all heart trauma, and open to the infinite soma of divine grace. Please attune the heart chakra to the ascended master state of consciousness. Now focus on the fifth chakra, the throat center, with the intention to align to divine will. Please clear and remove all core fears from the throat chakra. Clear all trauma of persecution, distortions in our voice, which are keeping us from fully expressing our divine self. Clearing all patterns where we have the belief that we are not worthy of being heard, that we will be ridiculed. Clearing all blocks and feelings that an authority outside of ourselves has greater power and importance than our own divine expression. Assist us with the courage and bravery to express our truth, fully aligned to the divine will and divine presence. Please clear, heal, anchor, and activate the throat chakra. Fill it with light, repair, and reconnect the divine blueprint of the throat chakra in this now moment. Beloveds, we request an attunement to spiritual will and divine purpose to fully attune to the ascended master state of consciousness. Now focusing on the sixth chakra, the third eye, which sits behind our forehead. We now request that all fear be released and removed as we allow the inner vision and clarity to fully pervade our being, removing all obstacles and align to the absolute clarity of oneness and union with the divine self. Beloveds, please clear, heal, align, anchor, and activate the third eye. Fill it with light, repair, and reconnect the divine blueprint of the third eye chakra. Open all spiritual links fully and completely to receive divine vision. We request the full attunement of our third eye to be aligned to that of the ascended master state of awareness. Now focusing on the crown chakra. As we widen the crown energies to receive more spiritual guidance, more connection with the celestial energies, we request that all density and all fears be cleared from the crown. Beloveds, please clear, heal, align, anchor and activate the crown chakra. Fill it with light, repair and reconnect the divine blueprint of the crown chakra system. As we open our connection to divine source, we open our communication with source now. We request an attunement to the divine self to create the right relationship with our brothers and sisters in wholeness, in union, and in truth. Beloveds, we request to attune the crown chakra to the ascended master state of consciousness. As we seal all the chakras into the light of union, we call upon the unified chakra attunement, bringing each layer into complete balance and harmony with each other. We request the universal harmonics of every octave in frequency of our multidimensional time matrix to flood our being into this unified chakra attunement. We ask for the blending of our entire chakra column to function as one unified chakra, as one unified being of light, fully fulfilled and fully embodied. Anchor, lock and seal all this work through your hologram and throughout the time matrix, in all directions of time and space, on all layers, levels and dimensions. And to our family of light, in deep love and gratitude, we thank you for the infinite stream of love as we close this meditation and seal it into the light of oneness. And so it is. When you are ready, just gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back into the space you sit.